Can you imagine when an office worker wants to improve her work efficiency? Just type a question, then instantly gets an answer from an Excel sheet file, but does not need to count or read by herself? When the worker faces tons of Excel sheets, this method will be extremely helpful. How to achieve that? Behind this goal, an AI engineer can do that. Let's go through it today. I will separate this video into two parts. The first part will tell you how to convert an Excel sheet to a SQLite file and create a SQL.py file. The second part, I will show how to secure your API key, create a main.py file, and finally get answers from data. Let's get started. First, prepare your Excel file like this. Then save your Excel sheet as a CSV file. After that, I convert my CSV file to SQLite file. I use DB browser for SQLite to do that. How to import a CSV file to DB browser? Let's create new database. I put it under the TEM folder. Save as open quotes. Click on Save. Create a blank table first. Add a field. Click on OK. Import table from CSV file. Click on Open Quotes, then Open. Keep the column names in first line. Click on OK. Delete the blank table. Let's browse the data to see whether we import the right file. Great. They are all here. 220 rows in total. Please remember to put the SQLite file in the same coding file. Like this. I created a folder named Tools, then created a SQL.py. Import SQLite 3. I use structured tool for better input schema definition. From Langchain.tools, import structured tool. Use base model to define the structure of the input for SQLite query tool. And use field to add a description to the query field, which can be useful for generating API documentation or providing hints to users. From Pydantic, import base model field. GetDB connection function returns a new connection each time it's called. Def getDB connection brackets. Return SQLite 3.connect, open quotes.db. Create a function runs a SQL query on a SQLite database. Def run SQLite query. The function is expected to return a value of type string. Try. With getDB connection as con, C equal con a cursor brackets C.execute query. Results equal C.fetch all. then convert results to a string. Added error handling to catch and report SQLite errors. Return string results. Accept SQLite error as E. Return, an error occurred, error. Define a new class named SQLQueryInput that inherits from base model. Class SQLQueryInput base model. Query : string equal field, description equal, the SQL query to execute. I defined a class attribute query that is expected to be of type string. Then let's run a SQLite query using a predefined function. And it enforces a specific structure for the input arguments. Run query tool equal structure tool. I named it Run SQLite Query. Let's make a description. Run a SQLite query on the database. Input should be a valid SQL query string. Func equal Run SQLite Query. Arg schema equal SQL query input. Great! The SQL Python file has been created. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. This will encourage us to create more AI videos in the future. Please leave your comments below, and it will let us know what you want to watch on our channel. Thanks!